What is a noun? Well, for years, you've been told that a noun is either a person, a place, or a thing. But today, we're going to look at a different type of noun. We're going to talk instead about what is a noun, what is a pronoun. So when we're talking about pronouns, a pronoun is a noun that replaces another noun, which means that Kanye could turn to he, and your friend could become she, and a slinky could become that. Your new pair of Nikes could become those. France could become there, and the park could become here. A pronoun is any word that replaces a noun. So any person, place, or thing that's replaced by a word like it, that, or those is a pronoun. All right, here we go. So we have a full sentence here. Mary and Sue went to the store. They wanted milk. So we're going to talk about pronouns and this word antecedent. So in this sentence, Mary and Sue went to the store. They wanted milk. They is our pronoun. The antecedent is whatever they refers to. So when we're using the word they here, what are we actually talking about? And the way that this works is you look kind of backwards in the writing to the last set of nouns or noun that this pronoun could be referring to. So in this case, Mary and Sue are the last they that are mentioned. So this pronoun refers to Mary and Sue. Let's look at this one. Mary and Sue went to the store. She wanted milk. In this case, our pronoun is she. And if you look back, the last noun that could be referred to as a she is Sue. So we know in this case, Sue wanted the milk. Let's go to the next one. So let's try here. Mary and Sue went to the store. They had their dogs Ruff and Zeus. They wanted milk. Now, in this case, we have two pronouns. We have they here, and we have they here. Let's look at this one first. So we go backwards in our writing for the last set of nouns that could be referred to as they. So from here, we look back, and we're talking again about Mary and Sue. Now, with the other one, we have this they, and if we go backwards in our reading to the last set of nouns that could be referred to as they, we are talking then about the dogs Ruff and Zeus. Does that make sense? Would Ruff and Zeus want milk? Probably not. So in this case, this pronoun does not really agree with its antecedent, which would mean we'd need to edit our writing to get it correct. Let's try one more. Mary and Sue went to the store. It was closed. So here's our pronoun, it. And if we go backwards in our writing for what was the last thing that could be referred to as an it, we get to store. Does that make sense? Mary and Sue went to the store. The store was closed? Yeah. All right, let's look at this one. Mary and Sue drove to the store in their van. It was closed. Again, we have the pronoun it. But in this case, when we look backwards in our writing, the last noun that could be an it is the van. Does that make sense? Mary and Sue drove to the store in their van. The van was closed? That doesn't make sense, so this sentence would need some editing to make sure that the pronoun refers to the correct antecedent. You could say Mary and Sue drove their van to the store. It was closed, and that would fix the problem. So now you know about pronouns, you know about antecedents. What questions do you have?